So this is the entrance to the tree house?
Yeah. Yes. So you can tell, like I said, the tree house like all surrounded with trees, and it's away from the center of Resorts World.
So the whole place is only 2 units.
2 apartments, yes.
Wow, 1,800 a night. Wow! How many balconies does this place have?
2 outdoor balconies.
It's a bit like...
This is a massive balcony. I'm not gonna open the storage because we're not staying here. Tub, toilet, shower. And this is the bedroom. Can I open this? No, I can't. Let me follow them and open it from the other way. What a nice place to stay if you want to get away from the city, because this is really secluded. And there's only 2 of these kind of units here.